What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new guys, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable your camera for your Firefox browser, right? So you want to go ahead and open up Firefox, and once you have Firefox open guys, you want to go ahead and click the burger menu in the top right hand side, and you want to click on settings. Now once you're here, you want to simply go ahead and click privacy and security on the left side, and you want to scroll almost to the bottom here, and where you have permissions here guys, you have camera here. As you can see, you want to click on the settings button here. Now guys, all you have to do is just ensure that this button here that says block new request asking to access your camera is unchecked, right? So if this is checked, then you will realize that the websites are blocking. And once it's unchecked guys, all you have to do is just simply click save. Now there are times that you will be able to see that there are some websites here that are blocked. You will be able to see them in the list, and as well you can search here to ensure that whichever website you're trying to, then these websites are not blocked. And here you will be able to see which website you can remove, and also if you want to remove all, you'll be able to manage it right here. But that's pretty much it guys. That's all you have to do. You just ensure that this is unchecked, and whenever you're trying to access those websites, then you will be able to access your camera. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.